Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about prepositions, one of the most useful parts of speech in English. So, what exactly is a preposition? A preposition is a small word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. For example, if I say, the shoes are under the bed. Here in this sentence, the word under is a preposition. Why? Because it is showing the relationship of shoes and the other part of sentence, the bed. It is telling the position or the place that where these are. These are under the bed. Secondly, if I say, we met on Monday. Here in this sentence, the word on is a preposition because it is telling the relationship between our meeting and the day when we met. Third sentence, he walked into the room. Here in this sentence, the word into is a preposition because it is telling the relationship between his action walking and the other part of sentence, the room. It is telling that where did he perform his action of walking into the room. Another sentence, she was absent because of illness. Here in this sentence, because of is a preposition because it is telling the relationship between her absence and illness. Means what is the relationship between her absence and illness? She was absent because she was ill. She was unable to come. That's why the reason behind her absence is illness. Because of is showing that relationship. So, a preposition is a connecting word. It links nouns or pronouns to the rest of the sentence and usually answers questions like where, when, and how. Now, let's do a quick practice. If I say the cat is in the box, now what is the preposition here? Tell me. Yes, you're right. In is the preposition here because it is telling the relationship between the noun cat and the rest of the sentence, the box. It is telling the exact position of the cat, that where it is. It is in the box. Second sentence, if I say he is standing between his friends. Now tell me the preposition. Yes, between is the preposition because it is telling the position of pronoun he and the rest sentence his friends. It is telling that he is standing between his friends. So that's all for today's lesson on prepositions. I hope this made things clearer for you. If you like this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.